Alright, I got the little bolts out, got them in a little bucket here, tuna fish can, just to make sure I don't lose anything. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the glass on out of here. And I'm going to set the camera over here to so I can go ahead and work on this thing. I've never done this before, but this thing is coming right on out without the brackets in place. Get it out without disturbing anything else. And one of the things I wanted to do here was to check and see how this old gasket went on. And as I suspected, it actually goes on both sides of the glass. So that's what is going to seal in here around up against the cast iron and up against the glass as well. So I've got my new glass and new gasket, and we'll see how much of a nightmare that's going to be to replace. By the way, I did get my glass from this company here. It's called Peninsula Glass out of Vancouver, Washington, or onedayglass.com, and it was well packed. It was here within a week, going all the way from Pacific Northwest all the way to the southeastern U.S. and got here without any damage at all, so I'm pretty happy. And they're about a third of the cost of the actual Pacific Energy door that I could have bought online. Okay, I'm going to shut it off and